What's up, everybody? Good morning. It's Steve here. Me and the green machine are ready to hit the water for another day. I'm pretty pumped up. I'm going out to Mark Twain Lake, which is a big lake that's local to me, but I'm going to a new spot that I've never been to before. There's just so many different places to launch on Mark Twain Lake, and traditionally I use like the same two. So I'm going to a whole different one today. I'm meeting up with my buddy Christian. It's going to be a great day. Hopefully this video is coming to you just loaded with big bass action. I'd love nothing more. I'm trying to upgrade in my monthly online tournament. I've got a full limit, just looking for some bigger ones. Christian's only got one on the board, but it is a whopper at just over 20 inches. He's looking to get 4 more and fill out his bag. So we're going to get out to the water and we'll see you guys there. Well, we made it to the lake. Wind's blowing a little bit, not terribly bad. It'll probably pick up, but right now it ain't too bad. Overall, the water's not too torn up. It is spitting a little bit, but we knew coming into today that we were gonna get rained on off and on. So already got the frog togs on. Kayak is down on the shore, just waiting on Christian, and then we'll get out of here. So let's do a little YouTube magic fast forward and get into some fishing, right? All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, boom. Well, Christian is still 40 minutes out because he hasn't left his house. He's about to. But that is just being a new dad right there. So I was gonna wait, but 40 minutes, I'm real tempted to work this area right around here. I'm gonna get all my rods and stuff ready, and then if I'm feeling the itch, I'll get right out in here and work. If not, we'll wait for him. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that, but it's making my decision a lot harder. Oh, I remember what being a new dad was like.
You know, you think that women are all, you know, money hungry and try to trap you and stuff like that. There was one woman I was for a while.
I just had one spit the spinnerbait on a jump before I could even turn on the camera. It wasn't a big one though, but still. Oh. There we go. Oh, damn it, that one spit too. We're on, guys. Let's see if we can get this one in the boat. Stop it. Look at that thing. That's a big old crappie. Oh, do I want fish tonight? Nah, I think I let you go, buddy. One of my favorite boat snacks. Expensive though. They're real proud of these things. Hey, Wonderful, if you're watching, I'm not opposed to a sponsorship. Just saying.
Well, I probably should have recorded this, but I just got a channel cat on the chatterbait, so at least I'm not skunked. I was really hoping that was going to be a bass because your boy's hurting. I only got one fish on the board for this month, and I really need 4 more. At this point, I don't even care how big they are. They can be the little dinker. I think minimum is like 8 inch. I'll take a couple of 8 inches just to get some more on the board. I'm sitting in like, I think 19th right now with 1 fish at 20 inches. Steven's way up there. I think Steven's in like 10th. So hopefully he can coil up today and I can get me a few more on the board and we can both walk away with some decent limits. Weaving out of the trees. Oh, knocked it. I'm on. You ain't wrapping that tree. Come here. Son of a bitch. First bass of the day, finally. Come here. I don't think it's an upgrade, but it's, well, maybe it is. Yes, sir. If it's an upgrade, it ain't much. But I'll take it. Let's see. Oh, he's a definite upgrade. Yep. 13 on the money. Look at that, guys. 13 on the money. Angry. All right, guys. So what I got him on is on the Dobbin Beast spinnerbait. Of course, it's a spinnerbait. Why would it be anything else? I'm sitting in about 16 foot of water, and where those two stumps are sitting out of the water, I cast just past those against the shoreline, hit the rocks, pulled in a little bit, and then bam, right on it. Y'all, look at the size of that crappie. When I pulled it out, I said, it's a crappie, and Christian said, are you sure? And I said, wait, no, it's a bass, I'm retarded. And then when I was actually able to get a look at it, I'm like, oh my God, it's a crappie. Let's see how long that thing is. I might have to take a picture of this bad boy. This might be my PB crappie. Dude, it's 11 and a half or 11.25. Oh, see, I was gonna let you go. Now you're flopping in the driveway. Quit it. You're gonna spine me. Stop. Here you go. Oh, I'm all slimy now. All right, guys, I'm by no means an expert, but something I've started doing later, I saw somebody else talk about, absolutely worked. So if you're fishing a spinnerbait and all you're doing is a smooth, steady retrieve like this, you're gonna catch fish. I might catch a fish right now. But if you slow it down a little bit, and every couple of pumps, you just throw in a rod twitch, you're gonna double the amount of fish you're hooking up on. It's just, it's ridiculous. It's night and day. So don't just do a smooth, steady retrieve. Vary it up a little bit. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. But I like to slow the speed down a little, throw in a rod twitch. Quit it. Barely hooked. You ain't that big. This will look. Oh. Alright guys, we'll check this out. He's not very big. Could still be an upgrade on those small 11s I have though. My grandpa Jim, on my mom's side, is where I got my love / obsession for fishing for. One thing that was always consistent on his boat, there was always an Italian sub. We don't have the Italian subs like I had in the Northeast here in the Midwest, but we do have Jimmy John's tradition, baby. Here's to you, Grandpa. Cheers. Where to go, where to go. gonna go in here. Yeah, I do. This reel does not flip very good, and I am not a fan of it. Need to adjust the brakes or something on it, dude. Oh no, no. Well, that sucks. Well, the problem right now is what in the hell? Must have wrapped the line. Yeah. Shallow water, yeah, no shit. Yeah, I got it set on 3 feet. Now, I would never mess with another man's noodle. I just wanted to say that because it sounds funny. You never mess with somebody's noodle. But they got one on that one. There's one on that one to the left too, but that one's dead because it's floating. There's something very much alive on that one. And it's angry. Y'all, this little drum here just hit a Ned rig. And I had to ask Christian what it was. I've never caught a freshwater drum before. Back he goes. Well, we made it back to the ramp. It's raining. We're tired. It's a rough day. Christian, say bye to the people.
Adios. I suck.
He doesn't suck. He just had a bad day. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.